A mini dress in Western fashion typically refers to a stylish short-length dress that falls above the knee and is designed to be both fashionable and bold. Here's our description. Mini dress Western fashion style include length above the knee, often mid-thigh. Fit can be ranged from tight bodycon to flowery A-line or scatter styles. Necklines include sweetheart, halter off the shoulder, V-neck, high neck, sleeve, sleeveless, puff sleeves, bell sleeves, spaghetti strap, long fitted sleeve for cooler season. Fabrics include satin or silk for party and night look, cotton or linen for summer and casual, velvet or squillion for glamorous event, denim or leather for edgy look. Design style include little bed dress, classic and essential, ruffled mini, feminine and flirty, blazer mini dress chic and modern, cutout or backless, bold and trendy. Wrap style include universally flattering. Accessories include pair with boots or heels, add a clutch or mini bag, statement earring or layered necklaces, belt waist for definition. Flowy A-line dresses are timeless and trend in 2025 for their flattering shape and comfort. A-line dresses cinch at the waist and gently flare out, creating a feminine silhouette that suits all body types. Here breakdown of latest trend in flowy A-line dresses. Soft pastel and earth tones, shades like sage green, lavender, dusty rose, and butter yellow are dominating. Earthy tones like clay, oatmeal, beige, and terracotta are great for everyday wear. Lightweight fabrics include chiffon, organza, cotton voile, and linen blend are preferred for flowy look. Sheer overlay or layer skirt add a dreamy and romantic vibe. Boho inspired detail, floral blend, lace trim, embroidery, and ruffle are in style. Look for tied skirts and smoked bodice for a bohemian flair. Square and sweetheart neckline. These necklines are popular for both casual and dressy style, often paired with puff or flatter sleeves, maxi and midi length A-lines, while mini A-lines are playful. Midi and maxi flowy A-line dress are huge for summer and resort wear, often styled with slit or wrap skirts. Cottagecore and vintage revival inspired by Perry dresses. Think shared waistline, button down front, and delicate floral prints. Cutout or backless design include add modern edgy to the classic silhouette, often paired with open back bow or tie accents. Belted A-line silhouettes, belts either built in or add emphasize the waist. Chain belts or white fabric belts are trending accessories. Spaghetti strap dresses are making a big comeback in 2025 fashion trend, blending minimalist elegance with modern detail. These dresses are perfect for everything from summer outings to evening events, and they are loved for their delicate, barely there straps that highlights the shoulders and collarbone. Cutout or strappy back style. Spaghetti straps combined with open back, crisscross ties or cutout waistline adds a bold new vibe perfect for night wear or parties. Maxi length elegance. Flowy spaghetti strap maxi dresses in chiffon or georgette. Mini dress in black. This dress featuring a plunging neckline and adjustable halter neck straps. It is described as a stylish piece suitable for an evening look and can be styled with various layering pieces like sheer, wrap, shawls, cropped leather jackets or statement blazers. These dresses with mesh overlay, tulle layer or semi-sheer fabrics, often styled with embroidery or applique for a romantic feel, are included in sheer and layer look style. Metallic and shimmer, gold, silver, or holographic spaghetti straps dresses for party and evening glam, popular with Y2K function revival. Ruching and draping, asymmetrical ruched skirt and cowl necklines are key, add texture and a flattened shape. Two tones or embroidered design. Color blocked or gradient shades make a simple silhouette eye-catching, trendy in blues, lilacs, coral pinks, and warm neutrals. Drap dresses are one of the standout trend in 2025, blending elegance, movement, and modern femininity. The beauty of draping lies in how the fabric folds, twists, or wraps around the body, creating a soft, flattering silhouette whether for casual wear or red carpet glam. Asymmetrical drap, one shoulder style or off-center draping create a bold or sculptural effect, popular in metallic, bold, solid, and high fashion neutrals, often paired with cutouts or high slit for drama. Cowl neck wraps, a 90s inspired neckline making a strong return, found in spaghetti strap slip dresses, evening gowns, and evening derriere. Fabric like satin or silk enhances the natural flow.